Hello, I'm Vivian. Today I will share with you how to make a lotus flower. Prepare 2 balloons, a red one and a green one. Let's start with the red one. Stretch and inflate it. Reserve 5 to 10 fingers on the tail. Knot it. Roll it out from beginning to end. Make a single bubble of 4-finger width. Make 2 single bubbles of 1-finger width. Make another single bubble of 4-finger width. Connect them. Make sure the knot is out. This is the first group. We need to make 3 groups in total. Single bubble, 4, 1, 1, 4. The second group is done. Single bubble, 4, 1, 1, 4. The third group is done. 1, 2, 3. Here is the key step. Please follow me. Grip the left half firmly with your left hand. Grip the right half firmly with your right hand. Spin them. Okay. It looks a little messy right now. It doesn't matter. Let's turn this balloon around to the other side. Adjust the petals. Okay. The flower is done. Cut off and knot it. Put it aside. Stretch the green balloon and inflate it. Knot it. Connect them. Wrap it around. You can wrap it any way you want. Make a small single bubble. Spin and wrap it around. It is the flower bud. Make a small single bubble. Then make a double ear bubble. You can watch my previous videos to see how to make a double ear bubble. Adjust it slightly. Our lotus is completed. Follow me for more balloon design.